gentlemen, we're pleased to welcome you to the Washington, D.C. area. The time is approximately 10:15. We will be taxiing for a few moments, so please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened, leaving all of your baggage stowed until we are parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Before deplaning, please check on your seat for any personal belongings you may have brought on board and be careful when opening overhead bins, as items do have a tendency to shine bright. On behalf of everyone here at JetBlue, but especially your New York-based crew, we'd like to thank you for flying with us, and we do hope to see you on a future flight very soon. If the area is home, we'd like to be the first to welcome you home, and for those of you who are visiting, we do hope you enjoy your stay.